Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting both devices ready and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is why latency drops and discovery works. Once done, swipe down to open Quick Settings and tap Smart View or Screen Mirroring to scan for receivers. Make sure the TV or adapter is in mirroring mode. On a Samsung TV, choose Source then Screen Mirroring. You're starting the handshake now. This initial alignment prevents connection loops and speeds up the next steps. After scanning, you'll see a list of available receivers. Select the one that matches your TV or adapter name. Then accept the pairing prompt that appears on the TV or type the PIN shown on screen into your phone if prompted. That authenticates the connection. Once paired, choose the streaming optimization for video or screen sharing depending on use. Optimizing reduces lag for smooth playback. Make sure to keep apps that use audio open so permissions don't interrupt media output. To finish, position your phone and TV for best signal and close background apps that consume bandwidth. This is why streaming stays smooth. If you notice lag or stutter, toggle Wi-Fi or disconnect and reconnect Smart View. This forces a fresh network lease and often fixes jitter. If the receiver never appears, reboot the phone and TV or unplug the adapter for 10 seconds. That clears stuck discovery states. One key troubleshooting tip: switch routers to 4 GHz/5 GHz bands if range or compatibility is an issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.